शक्ति पंप्स बैग्स कर्नाटका पीएम कुसुम ऑर्डर, बिजनेस इम्पैक्ट और आउटलुक। Shakti Pumps has announced a significant business development that has attracted investor attention. The company has received its first letter of award from Karnataka Renewable Energy Development Limited for the supply and installation of 16,780 standalone off-grid DC solar photovoltaic water pumping systems across Karnataka. This order has been awarded under Component B of the government's flagship PM Kusum scheme. To understand why this order is important, let us first look at the PM Kusum scheme. PMKUSUM, or Pradhan Mantri Kisan Urja Suraksha Evam Utthan Mahabhiyan, is a central government initiative aimed at promoting solar energy in the agriculture sector. Component B of the scheme focuses on installing standalone solar pumps for farmers, especially in areas where grid power availability is limited or unreliable. The order received by Shakti Pumps covers the entire state of Karnataka, which itself is a strong indicator of the scale and trust involved in this project. Supplying nearly 17,000 solar water pumping systems is not a small execution task. It reflects the company's manufacturing capability, execution strength, and experience in handling large renewable energy orders. From a business perspective, this order provides strong revenue visibility. While the company has not disclosed the total contract value in this announcement, such large volume solar pump orders typically contribute meaningfully to the order book. For investors, this improves earnings predictability over the execution period of the project. Another key aspect is the product type involved. These are standalone off-grid DC solar photovoltaic water pumping systems. DC solar pumps are more efficient, require fewer components, and are better suited for agricultural usage. Shakti Pumps has built strong expertise in energy-efficient pumps and solar pumping solutions, which gives it an edge in government-led renewable projects. This order also strengthens Shakti Pumps' positioning in the solar and renewable energy segment. Over the past few years, the company has strategically aligned itself with India's clean energy transition, especially in agriculture. Government schemes like PMKUSUM create long-term demand visibility for companies operating in this space. Investors should also note that Karnataka is one of the more proactive states in renewable energy adoption. Successful execution of this project could enhance Shakti Pumps' credibility and improve its chances of securing similar orders from other states under the PMKUSUM framework. Execution will be a key factor to watch. Large government projects require timely delivery, coordination with multiple stakeholders, and adherence to quality standards. Any delays or cost overruns can impact margins. However, Shakti Pumps has prior experience in executing solar pump projects, which reduces execution risk to some extent. Another important angle is working capital management. Government orders often involve milestone-based payments, which can temporarily impact cash flows. Investors should monitor how efficiently the company manages receivables and inventory during the execution phase of this project. From a sectoral standpoint, the solar pump industry benefits from multiple long-term tailwinds. Rising electricity costs, water scarcity, and government support for renewable energy are pushing farmers towards solar pumping solutions. This creates sustained demand beyond just one order or one state. Market participants often react positively to such order wins, but it is important to evaluate them in the context of overall order book growth and margin profile. A single large order is encouraging, but consistent inflow of similar projects is what builds long-term business momentum. Market participants often react positively to such order wins, but it is important to evaluate them in the context of overall order book growth and margin profile. A single large order is encouraging, but consistent inflow of similar projects is what builds long-term business momentum. This order also reflects the government's continued push to reduce dependence on diesel pumps and grid electricity in agriculture. Companies like Shakti Pumps that are aligned with policy direction stand to benefit over the long term, provided execution remains strong. In conclusion, the first letter of award from Karnataka Renewable Energy Development Limited is a meaningful development for Shakti Pumps. It strengthens revenue visibility, reinforces the company's leadership in solar pumping solutions, and aligns well with India's renewable energy goals. While execution and cash flow management will remain key monitorables, the strategic significance of this order is clearly positive for the company's long-term growth outlook. As always, investors should track further order updates, execution progress, and management commentary to better assess the full impact of this development.